We're really lucky to hear that someone is so excited about our top-level service. Here's a great 5-star review that keeps us motivated to do even better every single day. Take a look. This is a powerful testament to our dedicated team effort that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first, each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. We want to thank you for checking us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.